Today I'm gonna show you how this Starry sky works. Let me give you the details. See, there is 12 words below those small markers. They are written in Chinese, meaning month. See, February, March, April. And you see those 7 stars all together. They are called the Big Dipper, aka the Great Bear. And beside this Great Bear, there is this small red arrow. You can use it to adjust the month, adjust the date, and this one. It means north, as in direction, the north. So if you adjust the month right, use this red arrow and look up the sky, find out where this Great Bear is and match it with your watch. You should be able to tell the direction. This is north. You should be able to tell the direction. And also you can use the other way around. Say, you know the direction, point it with your watch, say north, and you should be able to find where the Great Bear lies in the sky at present time. Wonderful. And the dimension of is 4012 sapphire crystal. And okay. One more thing about this crown. When you pull out the crown, position 2, it's useless. It cannot adjust the date. You can only adjust the date by pushing this button. I believe Seagull made it this way to prevent from accidentally move the date when you are simply adjusting the time. Okay.